hardest hit segment of the population by COVID-19 is the elderly. Now, South Carolina's Governor Henry McMaster hopes to fight back with a new testing plan. News 3's Andrew Davis joins us from the Lowcountry newsroom with what he's proposing.
Well, nationwide, more than 10,000 of the COVID-19 deaths are among the elderly, and many of those people lived in nursing homes or assisted living facilities. South Carolina taking an ambitious step to stop the spread, though. They want to test every nursing home resident and staff member in the state.
The number of infections among staff and residents in long-term care facilities continues to grow. The number of fatalities among long-term care facility residents is also growing.
That's why the Palmetto State wants to test 2% of the population, or 110,000 people per month, including all 40,000 nursing home residents and staff statewide. The governor has already barred visitors from those facilities back in March.
We now know what the disease looks like. We know its capacity. We know it is vigorous, it is highly contagious, and among some people, including those with underlying physical conditions as well as age, and the combination of those two makes it even more deadly.
69 people who live or work in nursing homes or assisted living facilities in South Carolina have died due to COVID-19. That represents more than 25% of all the COVID-19 deaths in South Carolina. Those include 9 cases right here in the Lowcountry in 4 different homes from Beaufort to Hilton Head Island.
We really wanted to focus on those facilities. 40,000 people is a lot of people to test in short order. We won't be doing them all at once. We'll be rolling this out in phases.
The nursing staff at each facility will get a kit to swab residents and employees. Then a lab will run the test and report back to the Department of Health and Environmental Control. Their goal is to identify the infected and protect the rest of this high-risk population.
We are confident that it will produce results and help us contain this virus.
Now, the governor's plan will also step up testing and target high-risk segments of the population from rural and urban areas and minorities. Currently, nationwide, 44% of cases and 46% of COVID-19 deaths are African American. Andrew Davis, WSAV News 3, on your side.